can hear your questions, homie. Is that book reliable? Yes, it is. The testaments are very verifiable. What do you believe in? What do you abide by? Maybe it's a mixture of different stuff. Tie-dye. You boys are all syncretists, sinking in your own thoughts. The book that I hold to, cohesive and never off. Say my book carrying lies, but it's quite the contrary. 66 Holy Scriptures, it's more like a library. Written by 40 authors in 3 different languages. English is not one of them. Greek and Hebrew surely is inspired and inerrant. Whoa, what does that mean? It's from God and without error and absolutely everything. It addresses class in session. Boy, I hope you learn something. Heard them lies from other guys. Boy, I hope you turn from them. Why does it matter though if the Bible's false or true? Matter of fact, before you answer that, let me caution you. God is so, ain't no words to explain how he preserved his word through desert plains and heavy rains. But they try to tell us that the Bible's been corrupted. I say they are misinformed and they might as well pass. Teaching family's about to get deep and I ain't talking scuba gear. I'm talking real scholarly, about to bring some proof in here. P75, Codex Vaticanus. These are 2 manuscripts from scriptures in the canon. And when I say canon, I ain't talking about boom, but the collection of books that'll function as the rule. Back to P75 is from the 2nd century. The other one is from the 4th. Sorry for the history.